Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 23. A binary operation, this on real numbers, is given as x plus in bracket m in circle y is equals to xy plus x plus y for two real numbers x and y. Now find the value of 3 with this binary operation minus 2 over 3. Now this simply means that what 3 plus in these brackets all over 2 all over 3 is equal to, from this, xy plus x plus y. So we have what 3 times minus 2 over 3 plus 3 plus minus 2 over 3. Now 3 times minus 2 over 3, 3 we cancel 3, so we have minus 2. So this is equals to what? Minus 2 plus 3 plus minus 2 over 3. Now minus 2 plus 3 will give us what? Plus 1. So we have plus 1 minus, because plus minus 2 all over 3. Now 1 minus 2 over 3, we have the LCM to be 3. Now 1 into 3 is 3. 3 times 1 will give us 3. 3 into 3 is 3. 3 times 3 to 3 is 1. 3 times 2 will give us 2. So minus 2. So this is equals to what? 1 all over 3. So the answer to this question is 1 over 3, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.